Hello and welcome to Whimsy Stamps. It's great to have you here. I'm Lisa and today I'm sharing what's new in the Whimsy Stamps May 15th release. I have samples at the end of the video along with details of the May giveaway, so stick around for that. Let's get started with the Dad's Day 4x6 clear stamp set. These cute images are perfect for Dad's Day, plus these sentiments are straight from Dad's joke book, right? Now, I especially like that pizza slice with those adorable heart cheeks. And the images can easily be used for birthday cards, or you could use Whimsy's mini alphabet stamp set to create your own funny sentiments for any occasion. Let's take a look at a beautiful stamp set for any occasion, including Dad's Day, Fishing Fanatics. Now, there are gorgeous scenery stamps like the Forest Stream stamp in the Dove art line on the Whimsy Stamps website that will pair nicely with this. Random stamping the images from this set using black ink on white cardstock, then creating a bold sentiment is a great way to create quick and simple cards with this stamp set. This next stamp set, Graduation, has some of the prettiest graduation images I've ever seen in a stamp set. Now, I love the detail in that large image with the globe, the stacked books, and inkwell. Plus, you can see that gorgeous cap, tassel, and diploma. These images can be used with the mini slim tag die set from Whimsy to make matching gift tags and cards for graduates. Okay, y'all, let's move this along with the Southern Heifer stamp set. As you can see here, the outline die cuts out that large heifer image and it is sold separately. As usual, Whimsy Stamps brings us a lot of laughs with the sentiments in this stamp set, like that girl is a few colors short of a rainbow, heifer, please, and honey hush, just to say a few. Now, if you're like me and love the silliness in this stamp set, be sure to check out the next stamp set, Southern Sass. With 5 bold sentiments like I do declare and crazy, these will pair perfectly with the Southern Heifer stamp set. Now, you'll want to pick up that separate Southern Sass Outline dies as well. This set of dies creates a nice shadow around each of the Southern Sass sentiments, but that's not all. With these dies, you can create shadows for the new Crazy Word Die and Heifer Pleeze Word Die. It is clear that Whimsy put a lot of thought into these designs, making it so easy for us to stamp and or die cut our sentiments using these products. That brings us to the final product in this reveal, Slimline Fence Die Set. Create a perfect setting for our Southern Heifer using this die set. Now, I'm looking forward to seeing this slimline fence lined with pumpkins in the fall or decked out with holly during the holidays. You get 11 pieces in total with this slimline fence. A great detail is that the dies emboss the wood grain and the 4 round circles represent screws. Now that's going to be a wrap for this reveal, but as promised, I have a few samples to share with you while I share giveaway details. Whimsy Stamps is giving away a $100 gift certificate to their online shop. To be eligible to win, simply watch each of the current month's release videos here on the Whimsy Stamps channel and leave a comment. Now, each month a winner will be picked from those comments and announced in the first release video the following month. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss the videos. I do have to mention that Whimsy Stamps is solely responsible for the prize and YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. Let us know what you think of the new release in the comments below, and if you found the video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up because YouTube seems to really love those things. Now, you can click the links below to head over to the Whimsy Stamps online shop and to browse the items. Take care. Until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and the time you spend with us.